Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking the goal and the reader experience. That shapes every prompt. First, state the genre and a one-sentence premise so the model knows direction. Then create brief character sheets with motivations and distinctive voice so outputs feel consistent. Next, choose a model and set parameters, temperature, max tokens, and style constraints, because these control creativity versus precision. Once done, write a tight initial prompt template that includes scene, conflict, and desired tone. Once you have a sample, proceed scene by scene so you keep focus and pacing. For each scene, give the model an objective, stakes, and 1 or 2 hooks. This steers output toward plot advancement. Use microprompts for opening lines, key beats, sensory anchors, and dialogue cues so prose stays vivid and varied. Make iterative edits. Regenerate specific paragraphs, lower temperature for clarity, raise it for creativity, and record continuity notes, because consistency matters across scenes and chapters. To finish, assemble scenes and read for arc, pacing, and voice. Make targeted passes to tighten prose and amplify theme. Use focus prompts to revise openings, sharpen dialogue, and craft a resonant ending so the story lands. Then export into your preferred format and run a final continuity check. Fix character or timeline slips directly. If things go wrong, the model drifts or repeats, reset the context, apply stricter constraints, or perform manual edits. Doing so preserves voice and keeps momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.